Welcome back, Franklin High School, and welcome back to you, Mr. Valentine.
Thank you, sir. Listen, you know that today is the start of Student Government Association Spirit Week, and the theme for today is Mask Up Monday. Students and staff are encouraged to take a picture in their favorite mask and upload a photo of it to the Padlet that was posted on Schoology.
Yep, I look forward to seeing those pictures today, and tomorrow's theme is You and Your Pet Tuesday, and I really look forward to seeing Mr. O'Connell and his pet gerbil.
What's his gerbil's name?
He calls him Mr. Whiskers.
I thought that was one of his friends from New York. Anyway, in other news, advanced placement students are reminded that registration window is open. Personally, I think it's too cold to have any window open, but if you're an AP student, now is the time to register for your spring tests.
Also, students and parents are invited to this evening's PTSA meeting on Zoom. You have to pre-register in advance, so if you haven't done that already, you can go to the Sunday email blast. They're located on the Franklin High website, and register to stay informed tonight at the PTA meeting.
All right, and finally, we'll be having a virtual open house and special programs information night next Thursday, October 15th. The links will be posted on our FHS website next week. But if you know students in middle school who are interested in Franklin High School, encourage them to attend the open house, which will contain recorded videos and opportunities for live conversations. Opportunities for live conversations with special program teachers. Again, that event will be next Thursday, October 15th.
Okay, well that's all for today. Have a great day, everybody.